Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for the latest crypto airdrops and blockchain opportunities. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about an exciting holiday-themed airdrop, XMAS Token. Stick around because I'll explain what XMAS Token is, how to claim your free tokens, and why this project is spreading holiday cheer in the crypto community. As always, if you have any questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'm here to help with advice, updates, and support for all things crypto. The link is in the description below, so don't hesitate to connect. Let's get started. XMAS Token is a festive-themed cryptocurrency created to celebrate the holiday season in the blockchain space. It's a limited-time project designed to bring the crypto community together with fun rewards, giveaways, and a strong sense of community engagement. Through this airdrop, XMAS Token is rewarding early supporters with free tokens as part of its holiday promotion. Now talk about key benefits. Earn free tokens. Celebrate the season with a special crypto reward. Limited time event. This airdrop won't last forever. Get in while you can. Join a growing community. Engage with a fun and festive crypto project. Here's how you can claim your XMAS Token Airdrop in just a few steps. Step 1. Visit the official airdrop page. Step 2. Sign up, register with your email, and connect your wallet. Step 3. Complete simple tasks. Follow XMAS Token on social media, share the holiday spirit, or invite friends. Step 4. Submit your details. Confirm your participation and wait for token distribution. Always ensure you're using official links to avoid scams. If you have any questions about the XMAS Token Airdrop or need help with any crypto-related topics, I'm here to assist. You can message me directly on Telegram for updates and guidance. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description below. Feel free to reach out. That's it for today's video. The XMAS Token Airdrop is a great way to celebrate the holiday season and earn some free tokens along the way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest crypto opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays and happy airdropping.